how to automatically save your stories to your gallery. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to automatically save your stories to your gallery on your phone. It's so easy and quick. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your Instagram profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting, which is the first option. Click on privacy and scroll down, click on story, scroll down and click on save story to gallery. Turn on this option and automatically you're gonna save your stories to your phone's gallery. Now this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.